Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve freezing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve freezing on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on the application of Roblox. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that's a delete your account or your information about this app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.